If it was a straight ear, blue-eyed kid with him ear cut like this and long in the back, uno wouldn't tell him for a trim. Uno would never tell him for a trim. But because our hair is like wool, we hair thick, and it look away when it not trim or no comb, uno not accept it. Uno don't accept it.
My ear is my nationality, and it is for significance in me, so I can go into school. They don't want me to.
They tell me for trim.
Then tell for trim. They don't want we go in our school because our ear. Our ear is our nationality. Ministry of Education, I beg you please.
There are more concerning things going on in our schools that we should be worried about more than who we're worried about here. Here can't make you learn or no learn. Even though it is clear that this young man, you know, him, yeah. But if one will never come in and make comment on type, more rules are rules. I'm going to tell you something because you hear me say that. You hear me say that. You hear me say rules are rules and rules should be followed.
Someone elder Jamaican mother, brother. I need to free to talk, brother. Whole heap of youth over school, me know my youth. Bleach out white like chalk. And still I go in a school, brother, just because they ear short, brother. And me, you know, when I bleach or nothing like that, the only thing, my pants big. Everybody know me know my pants big, brother. And only thing me do, I just grow my ear, brother, and then still I fire me out, dog. And some of the parents out there come and talk about me, I look like a cuff and anything, brother.
I would say the school should tell them, yes, you can grow your hair, but cornrow it and make it look neat and presentable. More than I say, them have to trim them ear. I know everybody want to trim them ear, and it is their personal choice. Some people want to grow the hair, some people want to trim the hair. But people's personal choice is their choice, even though they are kids. You understand? And are the school responsible for them when they're at school, and when they do them, their parents responsible for them. It still is their choice to grow their hair. Bleaching your skin is more damaging to you personally than growing your hair.
The Scoop.
What a go on, my people? Welcome back to The Scoop with Michelle. So guys, I come across a video of a young man, and even though he's not articulating himself properly, I still understood what he's saying. So apparently this young man, he wants to grow his hair, but the school rule says nobody is allowed in school with them ear like that. You understand? You must trim and look proper. We don't love run with things, you know, where people not say, you know. Some want to listen before you know, type. Because you ever make a finger roll, you know. So as me I said, I don't know how I feel about that. Because why I said that, guys, though every school has its rules and you must, listen, you know, you must obey the school rules. You're still attending school. So your parents should have made sure that you were trimmed to go to school. But I don't think that your hair should determine who you are. A lot of people look down upon Rasta, you know, and people grow them hair, you know. And some of Rasta them and people grow them hair are more educated and have more sense, more than some of more common sense, more than some of the bald head. We're too quick to criticize and bring down people's choices. But you don't get me wrong, because you don't get people wrong. Rules are rules. Rules are rules, and they should be followed. You understand? How you go somewhere else where you're accepted. So you have to look at different institutions where they allow persons who grow their hair to attend their school, like you can go there. Because only in Jamaica alone, I see them look a food rule, you know. But here, you know. But here, why is it not always quick to bash people who grow them ear? More so the Rasta. Because me see this little guy father, I'm not sure if he's a Rasta man, you know. But me see well look like him is a Rasta man. So probably that inspire him to grow in here. But I'm also hearing him say the school allow persons who bleach out themselves to attend the school and not him who want to grow him here. And is it bleaching your skin more damaging to you than growing your hair? What does the hair really has to do with you learning? Even though him not so like him a learn nothing, you know. Him not so like him a learn nothing at all in a school. So maybe him need to trim and see if, you know, he head will more quicker. Because him head not seem so quick. But as me I say, I really don't think that should have been one of the rules. Because nothing is wrong with growing your hair. If your hair is cornrow neatly to attend school. Well, letting it go like that, it is not appropriate. It does not look appropriate to me. Letting your hair out like that, it does not look appropriate to me. But I understand if you could grow hair and cornrow it, yeah man, neatly behind, yeah man, neatly, I think it should be accepted. So, I would say the school should tell them, yes, you can grow your hair, but cornrow it and make it look neat and presentable. More than I say, them have to trim them ear. I know everybody want to trim them ear. Some people want to grow the hair, some people want to trim the hair. But people's personal choice is their choice. Even though they are kids, you understand? And are the school responsible for them when they're in school, and when they do home, and their parents responsible for them. It still is their choice to grow their hair. Bleaching your skin is more damaging to you personally than growing your hair. I feel like you don't bash people too much or grow their hair. I feel like you don't put down people too much or grow them hair. I feel so, and it's not necessary. I don't think that necessary. And Jamaica as a small island, don't make too much things bother on man. We must leave people personal choice alone. We see bigger country, Rasta, dwarf, special needs people, work in big industrial companies. You understand? Even come in movies. So why not always degrade people who grow their hair, especially Rasta? But you know, degrade people who bleach their skin because you encourage it. You encourage bleaching, you know. You understand? Think about it. And as me say, guys, I don't want to bash me in the comments, you know. Because you love to run with things. Me say, rules are rules. And he should comply with the rules if he want to attend that school. But I am saying that turning away a child because his hair is not trim, me not believe in that. Me not believe in it one bit. You must allow the kids to grow their hair, but tell them say cornrow their hair. Well, if they can't cornrow their hair, now, you know say you have got to turn them back. Because grow no hair but cornrow make it look neat and presentable. But I feel like I want to look a fool for rule that still. Boys should be allowed to grow their hair if they choose to, but make it looks presentable. Cornrow it up, man, and make it look neat and nice. You understand? But as me say, rules are rules and you have to comply. If you don't want to comply, find another institution that will allow you to come with your hair like that. But I feel like say if you cornrow it still, it will neat and presentable. There are more concerning things going on in our schools that we should be worried about more than how we're worried about here. Here can't make you learn or no learn. Even though it is clear that this young man, you know, him, yeah. But if one will never come in and make comment and type, more rules are rules. I'm going to tell you something because you hear me say that. You hear me say that. You hear me say rules are rules and rules should be followed. If this institution does not want that young man there which is here like that, he should find another institution that does. You understand? Otherwise he complies. I'm just saying it is a silly rule. A lot of parents grow them kids them ear from them a baby. You understand? They grow them kids ear from them a baby. And then they have to trim it off because of the school. Especially people who are Rastafarian. And I think that is very, very unfair. I think it's very unfair. Your hair does not determine who you are. Your hair does not determine who you are. I bet if it was a straight ear, yes, me I would go there. I bet if it was a straight ear, blue-eye kid, with him ear cut like this and long at the back, uno wouldn't tell him for a trim. Uno would never tell him for a trim. But because our hair is like wool, we hair thick, and it look away when it not trim or no comb, uno not accept it. Uno don't accept it. You understand? Yeah, but uno do it neatly. Uno do it neatly like I know that's the problem, but that really is the problem. And that is the problem. If him hear it straight and long, you need to allow him in a school with it. Yeah. Yeah, man, all like me I tell you, when visit some of the schools in Jamaica and see the half-white pitting them or the Chinese pitting them and look on their ear. Look at their ear trim. Look at their ear trim. Stop judging people because of their hair, because of the texture of their hair, because of that it come down to. Yeah, that it come down to. And I say if you want to type in here and chat about say rules are rules, I go this you know. Because my being said that rules are rules and should be followed. Just feel like say a foolish rule that. Yeah. Because enough people grow them here have sense more than enough of the ballad. Enough people grow them here have education more than enough of the ballad. Enough people grow them here more accomplished more than enough of the ballad. You understand? So I just say that to say this. Here does not determine who you are. Pack it up now, man. Time no for no. Time no for. At 2025, you know. At 2025 and we alive. So don't need to pack up some of the rubbish then, man. Yeah, man. Pack up some of the foolishness then, man. Modern time now. Modern time now. You understand? Yeah, man. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this, what this young man is saying. And as I said before, I know say rules are rules. Maybe said that. So nobody can type yes. And oh, remember, this is my opinion. I does not speak for everybody. And everybody does not speak for me. This is my opinion. You understand? But to make me know in the comment what you think still. You understand? And remember, maybe said rule are rule. So nobody come with it. So no nobody come with it. You understand? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself. Work good and spread love. Alright, I'm out.
The Scoop.